Have you ever wondered how compound interest works and how it can make you rich? Well, let's dive into it. Imagine you're planting a seed. Over time, not only does the seed grow into a tree, but it also starts to bear fruit. This is very much like compound interest. When you invest or save money, it doesn't just sit there, it grows. This growth happens when the interest you earn on your initial investment or principal is reinvested and begins to earn interest of its own. This forms a larger base from which future interest accumulates. Now compare this to simple interest, where your money grows in a straight line, only earning interest on the initial principal. It's like a tree that only grows taller but never bears fruit. Compound interest, on the other hand, is like a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining more and more snow as it goes along, growing exponentially over time. So you see, compound interest is like a snowball that gets bigger and bigger as it rolls down a hill. You might be wondering what makes compound interest so powerful. Well, the answer lies in the simple yet potent concept: time. Time is the unsung hero in the world of compound interest. It's like the secret ingredient in our financial success recipe. Here's the thing, when you invest money, it doesn't just sit there. It works for you, earning interest. And with compound interest, the interest you earn also earns interest. This creates a snowball effect where your money grows exponentially. But this process needs time to truly unfold its magic. The longer your money is invested, the more time it has to compound and grow. This brings us to the concept of the time value of money. It's a fundamental principle in finance stating that money available today is worth more than the same amount in the future because of its potential earning capacity. Essentially, $1 today is worth more than $1 tomorrow. Why? Because that dollar today has the potential to earn interest and grow. So, if you're planning to save or invest, start as early as possible. Even small amounts can grow into substantial sums over time thanks to the power of compound interest. Think of time as a garden. The seeds you plant today, given enough time, will grow into a lush, fruitful forest. Your investments are those seeds, and compound interest is the sunlight and water that help them grow. Remember, time is the greatest ally for your money when it comes to compound interest. So, harness the power of time and let your money work for you. Ever heard about the Rule of 72? It's a quick way to gauge the power of compound interest. Let's take a moment to demystify this financial jargon. The Rule of 72 is a simple mathematical concept that gives you the ability to estimate how long it will take for your investment to double, given a fixed annual interest rate. Here's how it works. You take the number 72 and divide it by the annual rate of return on your investment. The result is the approximate number of years it will take for your investment to double. For example, if you're earning an annual interest rate of 6%, you would divide 72 by 6. The result, 12 years. That's a rough estimate of how long it will take for your investment to double. The beauty of this rule lies in its simplicity. It's a basic arithmetic operation that can be done on the back of a napkin or in your head. No fancy calculators needed. However, remember that the Rule of 72 is an approximation. It's most accurate for interest rates ranging from 6 to 10%. For rates outside this range, the rule may not be as precise, but it still gives a good ballpark figure. In a nutshell, the Rule of 72 is a practical tool that can help you make informed decisions about your investments. It's a quick, easy way to understand the potential growth of your money. So the Rule of 72 gives you a quick snapshot of the potential of your investment. Now that we've understood the basics of compound interest, let's see how it can make you rich. Imagine for a moment that you're in your early 20s. Fresh out of college, you've just started your career and are earning a steady income. You decide to set aside a fixed amount every month, say $100, and invest it in an account that earns compound interest. It may not seem like much, but over time, those $100 deposits start to add up. Now let's fast forward a few decades. You've been consistently investing that $100 each month. But thanks to the magic of compound interest, your money has been growing at an exponential rate. By the time you're ready to retire, you've amassed a significant corpus, much larger than the sum of your initial investments. This is the power of compound interest in wealth building. It's not about making a quick buck or getting rich overnight. It's about playing the long game, being patient, and letting your money work for you. Let's consider another example. Suppose two individuals, Alex and Blake, both start investing at the same time. Alex is a bit more conservative and decides to invest in a simple interest account. Blake, on the other hand, opts for a compound interest account. Even if they both start with the same initial amount and make the same regular contributions, Blake's account will grow much faster than Alex's. This is because Blake's account is not only earning interest on the initial amount, but also on the interest that has been added to it. Over time, this difference becomes even more pronounced. By the end of their investment journey, Blake's account could be worth twice as much as Alex's, or even more. All because of the power of compound interest. The key takeaway here is that regular investments, when combined with the power of compound interest, can lead to impressive wealth accumulation over time. It's not about how much you invest, but how long you let that investment grow. It's evident how compound interest can be a powerful tool in building wealth. It's the secret behind the success of many wealthy individuals. Compound interest isn't just a financial concept, it's a fundamental principle that can guide your investment decisions. Let's take a moment to recap. We've explored the magic of compound interest, demonstrating its incredible power to multiply your wealth over time. We delved into the significance of time, which plays a pivotal role in harnessing the full potential of compound interest. And we unpacked the Rule of 72, a simple yet effective tool to estimate how long it will take for your investment to double. Remember, the key to leveraging compound interest is starting early and investing regularly. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a giant tree, with each dollar you invest acting as a seed. Hope this video helped you understand the magic of compound interest. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on financial literacy and bettering your financial situation. Remember, the path to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, so start your journey today.